Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shneet Kaur and as you all know, I am a professional makeup artist. I personally feel that you should have a clean skin before you work out. You need to use a sunscreen if you're working outdoors. So you do need to have a skincare routine even before you go to the gym. If you're wearing makeup, and working out, it is probably going to give you breakouts, so that is also not healthy for your skin. Anyway, if that is something you're interested in watching, let's get started. I like to start off with a face wash. The dirt during the day does accumulate on the face, hence adding skincare layers on a dirty face doesn't make sense. I use the Moms & Co Vitamin C face wash. It helps to remove all impurities from the skin, and since it has microbeads, it helps in part exfoliation as well. It has orange and lemon extract that helps in reducing any darkness or pigmentation or tan lines from the face. Basically, it helps in getting an even skin tone. Next, I go in with my favorite toner. This one is from Plum. This toner is absolutely alcohol free. Alcohol based toners usually dry out my face, and this one is 100% vegetarian. It doesn't contain parabens or SLS. The bottles as well are reusable, so I love that. Next, I'm going to use my grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oil blend. The product has a slightly yellowish tone to it. The texture of the product is like that of an oil. It is not thick per se, but it is runny. If you check out the Plum website, they usually have a lot of offers going on throughout the year. This oil is rich in vitamin E and vitamin A. It is loaded with antioxidants and helps nourish the skin. Since it is an oil, the skin does get a little greasy. That's why I like to wait for 5-10 minutes for my skin to absorb it completely and then move on to the next product. Now it's time for my sunscreen. I'm using the one from Kama Ayurveda. It is a non-chemical, non-comedogenic formula and a broad spectrum SPF 21 and PA++ sun protection. Now it's time to nourish the lips. This lip balm is from a homegrown brand called Aroma Indulge. This brand usually has handmade products. They are also paraben free and very affordable. It is so lightweight and it feels so moisturizing on the lips. It works very well on dry and chapped lips as well. It provides nourishment, and so these lip balms are not tinted, but you do get a lot of flavors in them. The one I'm using is strawberry. You do get a coffee flavored as well. Lastly, I'd like to take you through this plant-based organic collagen powder. Now I like to add this in my routine because of the benefits it provides. Collagen helps to keep your skin firm and tight, giving it the elasticity that prevents fine lines and wrinkles from forming. This is a product that generally, takes care of your skin, nails, joints and even hair. It is derived from sea buckthorn, which is rich in omega fatty acids. It has berry, which helps in heal skin damage. It has rose petals and even bamboo shoot. I usually have a scoop of this every day. It is actually practically tasteless, but for me, I just like to close my nose and then finish it off in one go. It's easier that way. Thank you so much you guys for sticking around and watching the entire video. If this is something you find interesting, my channel is all about makeup, skincare, basically beauty. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like, share my videos, and I shall see you in the next one.